of redox reaction by half reaction method. Balancing of redox reaction by half reaction method. So there are certain steps which will remain same as the previous method, and there will be some new steps also, right? So first step remains the same, right? What is the first step? That is assign oxidation number, identify oxidation and reduction. So write down first step, assign oxidation number, identify oxidation and reduction. तो यहाँ पे देखो क्रोमियम का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर by the calculation we get it is to be +6, right? Here sulfur oxidation number will come out to be +4, chromium oxidation number +3, and sulfur oxidation number +6. So we can observe that it is changing from +6 to +3. +6 to +3, there is a reduction, and it is changing from +4 to +6. +4 to +6, there is an increase in oxidation number, so that is oxidation. The first step remains the same, like you have to identify that which substance is undergoing oxidation and which substance is undergoing reduction. That part remains the same. Now, in the next step, first thing we'll do is to split the reaction. That means now we will treat the oxidation half reaction as a separate reaction and reduction half reaction as another half of reaction. So I'll just split this reaction in two parts. On one side, I take oxidation half reaction. On other side, I take reduction half reaction. What is oxidation half reaction? This one. SO3 minus 2 changing into SO4 minus 2. And this one, reduction half reaction, is Cr2O7 minus 2 changing into chromium plus 3, right? Now, next step. So second step में आप लिख सकते हो. Step 2. Step 1 is identify oxidation and reduction. Step 2, split both half reactions. Split both half reactions. And balance atoms undergoing oxidation or reduction. Balance atoms undergoing oxidation or reduction. Also find cumulative oxidation number. Also find cumulative oxidation number. See here, in oxidation half reaction, sulfur is undergoing the redox oxidation +4 to +6. The one which is undergoing oxidation is sulfur. On left hand side we are having one sulfur, and right hand side also we are having one sulfur. Both the side we have one sulfur atoms. Both side we have one sulfur atom on left and one sulfur atom on right. तो इसको तो बैलेंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Here there is a problem. On the reduction half reaction, we have 2 chromium on left and 1 chromium on right, so simply multiply it to 2. And now find the cumulative oxidation number. Earlier the chromium oxidation number, one chromium atom oxidation number is +6 and one chromium atom oxidation number is +3. cumulative oxidation number, there are total 2 chromium, so that will be equal to plus 12, and this is equal to plus 6. Now, अब हमें करना क्या है, हमें ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर्स को बैलेंस करना है. लेफ्ट वाले ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर को राइट वाले ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर से बैलेंस नहीं करना है, हमें ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर को इलेक्ट्रॉन से बैलेंस करना है. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर को इलेक्ट्रॉन से बैलेंस करने का क्या मतलब है, जितना इंक्रीज हुआ उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर? इट इज अ डोनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर? दैट इज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टेड. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जितना इंक्रीज हुआ है उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर देंगे. डोनेट का मतलब प्रोडक्ट साइड पे लिखेंगे, ठीक है. और जितना ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीज हुआ है हम उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे लिखेंगे, ठीक है. सो जब हम इसको स्टेटमेंट में लिखेंगे तो इट विल बी स्लाइटली लेंथी स्टेटमेंट. इंक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटेड and decrease in oxidation number is equal to number of electron accepted. So oxidation half reaction में increase होता है, तो जितना increase हुआ उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखो राइट हैंड साइड पे. और रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कम होता है, तो जितना कम हुआ उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन लिखेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ठीक है. बहुत ज्यादा इसको थियोरेटिकली समझने की जरूरत नहीं है, इट्स लॉजिकल थिंग. यहां पे +4 से +6 हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बढ़ रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करने पड़ेंगे. यहां पे +12 से +6 हो रहा है, मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कम हो रहा है, तो हमें यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करने पड़ेंगे. गॉट इट? सो स्टेटमेंट लिख लो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज इन ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन OHR. In oxidation half reaction, add electrons on product side according to the increase in oxidation number and in reduction half reaction add electrons on left hand side as per decrease in oxidation number. Next step, balance spectators in both half reactions. Balance spectators in both half reactions. Next step, balance charge in both half reactions. Next step, balance hydrogen and oxygen in both half reactions. Next step, add both half reactions add both half reactions. After balancing the electrons, in the individual in both half reactions, after balancing the electrons in both half reactions, after balancing the electrons in both half reactions, see here, this side and this side, as per the oxidation number, I have balanced the oxidation number with electrons. यहाँ पे हमारे पास +4 से +6 हुआ तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर दिए, यहाँ पे +12 से +6 हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ तो 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन रिएक्टेंट साइड पे ऐड कर दिए. Now listen very carefully. Now you have two simple choices. Number 1, आप दोनों हाफ रिएक्शंस के इलेक्ट्रॉन को यहीं पे बैलेंस कर दो and then follow the rest of the method. In the sense, what I'm saying is, be very clear and specific about it. Here I have 2 electrons on right hand side and here I have 6 electrons on left hand side. So what I'll do is 2 multiplied to 3. So these electrons will become 6 and left hand and right hand electrons will become equal. So I can write it as 3SO2 minus 2 give 3SO4 minus 2 plus 6 electrons, and here 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 gives 2Cr plus 3. तो हमारी एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई. हमने ये प्रूव कर दिया या ये फाइंड कर लिया कि increase in oxidation number is equal to decrease in oxidation number, or in other words, there are 6 electrons being donated and 6 electrons being accepted. क्योंकि जब तक electrons balance नहीं होते तब तक प्रॉब्लम है, because more electron donated and less accepted ऐसा तो possible ही नहीं है. ठीक है. So that's what we have achieved. One big thing is we have balanced that 6 electrons donated and 6 electrons accepted. And now you follow the charge balancing, right? Now in this particular case, I have charge -6, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का चार्ज है -6 और राइट हैंड साइड 3 into 2 -6 and 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन. राइट हैंड साइड पे हमारे पास चार्ज है +12. सो देखो इधर, सॉरी -12, 3 into 2 6 and 6, so that is total charge is -12 unit charge. So I have to balance this charge by using H plus ions. So I'll add the positive charge, add H plus, where negative is more or positive is less. अगर आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे +6 है और राइट हैंड साइड पे +12 है, तो आप जहां पे कम पॉजिटिव है वहां पे H+ ऐड करोगे। अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में -6 है, राइट में -12 है, तो आप यहां पे H+ ऐड करोगे। तो ये this will become +12 and this will become -6. It's a basic maths. Okay, so in this case I'll add 6 H+ ions on right hand side, so that my total charge on right hand side will be -6 and total charge on the left hand side will also be -6. So I write the equation 3SO3 -2 gives 3SO4 -2 plus 6 electron plus 6 H+ ion. Same thing we have to try on the other side. So here we have -2 and -6. So left hand side charge is -8 and right hand side charge is +6, right? So we are having basically -2, -6, -8 charge and +6 charge. So add where negative is more or positive is less. यहाँ पे negative more है, positive less है, तो I want to make it -8 को +6 बनाना है। -8 को +6 बनाना है, इसका मतलब I have to add 14 H+ ions on left hand side. Now just try 14 positive -8, that is +6, and this is also +6, right? So I'll add 14 H+ ion on left hand side, 14 H+ plus 6 electron plus Cr2O7 -2 give 2Cr+3. So in this case, now our charge is balanced. In this half reaction also charge is balanced. दोनों तरफ -6 charge हो गया. And in this half reaction also the charge is balanced, right? There is no spectator present, तो spectator को balance करने की जरूरत थी नहीं, तो उस स्टेप को हमने स्किप कर दिया, चार्ज बैलेंस कर दिया. अब फाइनली बैलेंस करेंगे हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन इन बोथ हाफ रिएक्शंस. हियर you have 3 into 3, 9 oxygen on left hand side. And here on right hand side you have 12 oxygen. So I need 3 oxygen on left hand side, so I'll write it as 3H2O. So 9 oxygen and 3 oxygen of water, total will become 12 oxygen. So I can write 3H2O plus 3SO3 minus 2 gives 3SO4 minus 2 plus 6 electron plus 6H plus. ये balancing complete हो गया. On the other side, I have 7 oxygen on left hand side. Left hand side, there are 7 oxygen atoms present. On right hand side, we have 0 oxygen. So I'll add 7 H2O on the product side. That will become 14 H plus 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 gives the product 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O। ऊपर वाले रिएक्शन को एज इट इज लिखा है और उसमें 7H2O ऐड कर दिया। Now comes the last step. In this case, our reduction half reaction is balanced. ये पूरा इक्वेशन हमने बैलेंस कर दिया। And our oxidation half reaction is also balanced. अब सिर्फ इन दोनों हाफ रिएक्शंस को ऐड करना है। तो रिडक्शन हाफ रिएक्शन और ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन को ऐड कर देते हैं। ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन क्या है? 3H2O प्लस 3SO3 minus 2 gives the product 3SO4 minus 2 plus 6 electron plus 6H plus. What is reduction half reaction? It is 14H plus 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 to give 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. सी ऐड करने का मतलब है जो ऑपोजिट साइड पे उनको कैंसिल कर दो। 6H plus 14H plus remaining will be 8H plus 6 electrons 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन। इलेक्ट्रॉन हमेशा कैंसिल होके जीरो हो जाएंगे क्योंकि हमने सेकंड स्टेप में ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को कर दिया था 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को हमने सेकंड स्टेप में ही बैलेंस कर दिया था। नाउ देयर आर 3H2O and there are 7H2O, so remaining will be 4H2O. Now this one we get 3SO3 minus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 so we'll get 3SO4 minus 2 plus 2Cr plus 3. Copy this reaction. Ferrous ions are oxidized to ferric ions by potassium dichromate in acidic medium see these are called as the word problems. Here the equation is not directly given, they have given us the statement of the reaction. For such reactions and statements, certain things we should remember for future. Number one, हमेशा याद रखो क्रोमियम एसिडिक मीडियम के लिए दो स्टेटमेंट बता रहा हूं। डाइक्रोमेट एसिडिक मीडियम में अल्टीमेटली क्रोमियम +3 में कन्वर्ट होता है. So even if it is not given in the question, we should remember and we should know that if it is an acidic medium, dichromate का मतलब Cr2O7 - 2 will convert into Cr+3, right? Next thing, chromate CrO4 - 2. This is chromate ion. This will also change into chromium +3 in acidic medium. And permanganate ion, MnO4-, permanganate ion. Permanganate ion will convert into Mn+2 in acidic medium. And permanganate ion will change into MnO2 in basic medium. So ये हमने कुछ conversions याद रखे हैं of the most special and commonly used oxidizing agents, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate, right? ये दो हमें specially याद रखने हैं. ठीक है, अब देखो इधर. As per the statement, what is being said? सबसे पहले statement से हम equation बनाएंगे. In presence of potassium dichromate, और पोटेशियम डाइक्रोमेट में से हम सिंपली ले सकते हैं डाइक्रोमेट K2Cr2O7 K2Cr2O7. Either you can take the whole substance as the redox, or instead of this you can use only Cr2O7 - 2 also, because ultimately the potassium is a spectator. So I can write K2Cr2O7, or I can write Cr2O7 - 2. डायक्रोमेट आयन की प्रेजेंस में फेरस आयंस ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं इनटू फेरिक आयंस. And we know in acidic medium dichromate will change into chromium +3, right? So quickly follow the steps. फटाफट सॉल्व करते जाओ जैसे मैं बोलता हूं. First thing, assign oxidation number, identify oxidation and reduction. This step should take less than 30 seconds. Assign oxidation number, identify oxidation and reduction. Iron +2, chromium +6, iron +3 and chromium +3. So +6 to +3. And here +2 to +3. So we have identified that iron is undergoing oxidation and chromium is undergoing reduction. Next step, split the half reaction. Split the reaction into oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Split the half reaction into oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So basically it will be oxidation half reaction is iron plus 2 gives iron plus 3. Reduction half reaction is Cr2O7 minus 2 gives Cr plus 3. Next step, very quick. Balance atoms undergoing oxidation and reduction. Find cumulative oxidation number. Balance and atoms undergoing oxidation reduction. Find cumulative oxidation number. So what happened? Iron plus 2 to plus 3. Both side iron is there. One iron. It's already balanced. As far as chromium is concerned, there are 2 chromiums on left hand side. So there should be 2 chromiums on right hand side. Okay. So chromium is balanced. Okay. Now what happens? Cumulative oxidation number. 1 chromium was plus 6. So 2 chromium will be equal to plus 12. 1 chromium was plus 3. So 2 chromium will be equal to plus 6. Iron already oxidation number plus 2 to plus 3. Now, balance oxidation number with electron. Balance oxidation number with electron. जितना increase हुआ उतने electron donate, जितना decrease हुआ उतने electron accept. What we'll do is, there is an increase of 1 unit, so 1 electron donated, right? Now there is a decrease of 6 unit, six electron accepted. Now half reactions को multiply करो suitable coefficient से, so that electrons in both half reaction become equal. Multiply the half reactions to the suitable coefficient so that electrons in both half reaction become equal. So here there is only 1 electron and here there are 6 electrons. So we multiply it to 6. So we get 6 Fe plus 2 gives 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 electrons. And here we already have 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 to get 2 Cr plus 3. Now balance charge. आपके पास है acidic medium. So balance charge using H plus ions in both individual half reactions. So here left hand side charge is plus 12. Right hand side charge 6 into 3, 18 minus 6 plus 12. यहाँ पे charge already balance है. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 18 minus 6, that is plus 12. Here left hand side charge is -8 and right hand side charge is +6. So I have to make -6 equal to +6. -8 should be equal to +6. What I'll do is add H plus ion. Where should I add H plus ion? Where positive charge is less. तभी तो बैलेंस होगा. जहां पॉजिटिव कम है वहां और पॉजिटिव ऐड करो 14H plus. Now this has become equal to +6 and this is already +6. So I'll write the equation 14H plus 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 2Cr plus 3. And here already we have this equation. So charge balance in both half reactions. Is there any spectator? No. Now go for balancing of hydrogen and oxygen. Go for balancing of hydrogen and oxygen. So in oxidation half reaction, I need not to balance oxygen as well as hydrogen because there are no hydrogen or oxygen present on either side of the equation. But in this case, I have 14 hydrogen on left hand side. So to balance these 14 hydrogen, I have to add 7 H2O on right hand side. Now both half reactions are balanced. So we'll follow the last step. The last step is to add both half reactions. 6 Fe plus 2 gives 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 electrons. And here 14H plus 6 electron plus Cr2O7 minus 2 gives 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. Six electron on right hand side, 6 electron on left hand side cancelled. बाकी कुछ और कैंसिल हो नहीं रहा है. लेफ्ट और राइट में और कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, तो सिंपली ऐड कर दो 14H plus 6 Fe plus 2 plus Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 6 Fe plus 3 plus 2Cr plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Those who have copied, please raise your hand. Okay, great. So now let's start balancing the next chemical equation. Okay. This is the chemical equation to be balanced in the basic medium, OH minus ion. Balance this chemical equation in basic medium.